Are you tired of blenders that struggle with ice, leave chunks in your smoothies, or take forever to clean? This Ninja BN751 Professional Plus Duo Blender is here to revolutionize your kitchen game. With its 1400 peak watts, auto IQ programs, and versatile 72-ounce pitcher plus two 24-ounces to-go cups, this blender is a powerhouse for smoothie lovers, health enthusiasts, and busy families. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why the Ninja BN751 is a must-have for anyone craving nutrient-packed drinks, frozen cocktails, or effortless meal prep. Let's dive into what makes this blender a game-changer. Why the Ninja BN751 stands out in the blender world. Blending isn't just about tossing ingredients into a pitcher and hitting a button. It's about power, precision, and convenience. The Ninja BN751 Professional Plus Duo Blender delivers all three with a sleek, modern design that looks as good as it performs. Whether you're whipping up a family-sized batch of smoothies or blending a single-serve nutrient shake for your morning commute, this blender has you covered. Its 1,400 peak watt motor crushes ice, pulverizes frozen fruits, and blends fibrous veggies into silky perfection, making it a top contender in the world of countertop blenders. Unlike its predecessor, the Ninja BL621, the BN751 boasts a more powerful motor and enhanced auto IQ technology, which takes the guesswork out of blending. With 3 preset programs for smoothies, frozen drinks, and nutrient extractions, you can achieve professional-grade results with minimal effort. Plus, its dishwasher-safe components and included recipe guide make it a breeze to use and experiment with. Whether you're a health-conscious foodie or a busy parent, this blender is designed to simplify your life while delivering exceptional results. Solving common blending woes. Let's face it, many blenders fall short when it comes to crushing ice or handling tough ingredients like kale or nuts. The Ninja BN751 tackles these challenges head-on. Its total crushing blades and 1,400 peak watt motor make quick work of ice, transforming it into snow-like consistency in seconds. No more chunky smoothies or frustrating stalls mid-blend. The Auto IQ programs adjust speed and timing automatically, ensuring consistent results every time, whether you're blending a creamy smoothie or a nutrient-packed green juice. Cleaning is another pain point for many blender users, but the Ninja BN751 makes it effortless. The BPA-free pitcher, to-go cups, and blade assembly are all top-rack dishwasher safe, saving you time and hassle. For those on-the-go moments, the two 24-ounces single-serve cups with spout lids let you blend and dash, keeping your healthy habits intact even on the busiest days. Say goodbye to underpowered blenders and hello to a kitchen companion that delivers every time. Key features of the Ninja BN751 Professional Plus Duo Blender. Here's a closer look at what makes the Ninja BN751 a standout choice for blending enthusiasts. 1,400 peak watt motor. This upgraded motor delivers professional-grade power, effortlessly crushing ice, frozen fruits, and tough veggies for smooth, consistent results. Total crushing blades. Designed for precision, these blades pulverize ingredients into silky textures, perfect for smoothies, frozen drinks, and nutrient extractions. Auto IQ technology. 3 preset programs, smoothies, frozen drinks, nutrient extractions, combine timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns for foolproof results. XL 72-ounce pitcher. With a 64-ounce max liquid capacity, this pitcher is ideal for large batches, making it perfect for family gatherings or meal prep. 2 24-ounces to-go cups. Blend directly into single-serve cups with spout lids for convenient, portable smoothies that fit your busy lifestyle. Dishwasher-safe components. The pitcher, cups, and blade assembly are BPA-free and top-rack dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. Recipe Inspiration Guide. Includes 15 creative recipes to spark your culinary imagination, from smoothies to frozen cocktails. Benefits that transform your kitchen routine. The Ninja BN751 isn't just a blender, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Here are the top benefits that set it apart. Unmatched power and versatility. The 1,400 peak watt motor and total crushing blades handle everything from ice to fibrous greens, giving you endless recipe possibilities. Time-saving convenience. Auto IQ programs eliminate guesswork, while the dishwasher-safe design cuts down on cleanup time, letting you focus on enjoying your creations. Perfect for any lifestyle. Whether you're blending for a crowd or grabbing a smoothie on the go, the large pitcher and to-go cups cater to both family and individual needs. Who is the Ninja BN751 perfect for? This blender is a dream come true for a wide range of users. Health-conscious individuals. If you love nutrient-packed smoothies or green juices, the nutrient extraction program ensures you get every vitamin and mineral from your ingredients. Busy professionals and parents. The to-go cups make it easy to blend and take your smoothie to work, the gym, or school drop-offs. Smoothie and cocktail enthusiasts. From creamy smoothies to frozen margaritas, the Auto IQ programs deliver perfect consistency every time. Families and entertainers. The 72-ounce pitcher is ideal for whipping up large batches for family breakfasts, parties, or meal prep sessions. Real-world performance. What to expect? In testing, the Ninja BN751 excels at creating silky smoothies, even with tough ingredients like frozen berries or leafy greens. The Auto IQ smoothie program delivers a thick, frothy texture in just 55 seconds, while the frozen drinks setting produces snow-like ice for cocktails in under 30 seconds. The nutrient extraction program is a standout for health enthusiasts, blending whole fruits and veggies, including seeds and peels, into nutrient-rich drinks without wasting a drop. The blender's modern design is both functional and stylish, with suction cup feet for stability and a secure locking lid to prevent spills. While it can be loud during ice crushing, reaching up to 94.9 dB, the quick blending time means the noise is short-lived. Some users note that the blade assembly requires careful handling due to its sharpness, but the dishwasher-safe components make cleanup straightforward. Overall, the Ninja BN751 delivers professional-grade performance at a price that won't break the bank, often retailing for around $119 but frequently on sale for under $100. Why choose the Ninja BN751 over competitors? Compared to other blenders in its price range, the Ninja BN751 offers unmatched power and versatility. While brands like Vitamix and Breville produce premium blenders, they often come with a higher price tag and fewer accessories. The Ninja BN751's inclusion of 2 to-go cups, a large pitcher, and Auto IQ technology makes it a better value for money. Customer reviews consistently praise its ease of use, powerful performance, and ability to handle tough ingredients. With a 4.8-star rating from over 1,700 reviews on major retail sites. The only minor drawbacks are the noise level during ice crushing and the need for careful blade handling. However, these are small trade-offs for a blender that delivers such impressive results at an affordable price. For those seeking a reliable, high-performance blender without the premium cost, the Ninja BN751 is a clear winner. Join the smoothie revolution today. The Ninja BN751 Professional Plus Duo Blender is more than just a kitchen appliance. It's a gateway to healthier, tastier, and more convenient meals. Whether you're blending smoothies for breakfast, crafting frozen cocktails for a party, or prepping nutrient-rich drinks for your busy lifestyle, this blender delivers every time. Its powerful motor, smart Auto IQ programs, and versatile accessories make it a must-have for any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.